Okay, hello semester 1. So today we still continue our practice in pronouncing vowel sound. Jadi masih vowel sounds ya. Masih dengan suara vokal, tapi dengan suara yang berbeda. What is that? Kalau kemarin sudah I sama I, and then E sama sekarang hari ini latihan apa? So let me share the file. So this is it. We learn vowel sounds. Sound, what is this? What we pronounce for this symbol? Simbol suara apakah ini? Anyone? So, hari ini ada dua suara. Suara apa dan apa ini? Suara. Hello everyone. Sudah makan belum? Nggak ada suaranya nih. Oke. Kecil sekali suaranya. Suara siapa itu barusan? Well, this is like A. Simbolnya mirip dengan huruf A tanpa ada garis horizontal. Itu ya. Jadi seperti segitiga tanpa ada garis horizontal itu bunyi A. A. Bunyi A yang benar-benar jelas. Mulutnya teman-teman terbuka ke atas. Suaranya A. Gitu ya. And then how about this? Yang ini apa?
Long sound.
Oke, long sound of
A.
Oke. Apa dong? Nah, biasanya kalau ada titik dua ini benar long sound. Nah, bedanya sama yang ini apa? Kan A sama A gitu enggak. Tapi yang ini A, sedangkan yang ini sedikit membulat seperti akan berbunyi O. Ayo lo. Jadi O yang bulatnya besar. O. Gitu. Yang ini A, yang ini O. Gitu ya. So this is A and this is O. Gitu. And then let's see the practice one. If you have find the file of the book, you can see in unit 6, page 23. Kalau teman-teman sudah nemu filenya, bisa dilihat di unit 6, page 23. And the audio, I have uploaded in the Google Classroom ya. Oke, ini jadi potongan di unit 6, page 23, A and O. So, for example, this is cup and this is cup. O, cup. Nah, usually if we find R, ada R-nya seperti ini, nah itu yang membuatnya bersuara lebih panjang. This is cup and this is cup. What a beautiful cup. What a beautiful cup. Okay. And then this, what a beautiful cup. What a beautiful cup. Okay, cup. And then the next one is hut, hut. It's a hut, hut. While this, sementara ini, heart, heart. Jadi A besar tapi sedikit membulat. Oke. Next one. Oh ya, kalimatnya. There's a problem with my heart. There's a problem with my heart. Oke. While this, sementara yang ini. There's a problem with my heart. There's a problem with my heart. Jadi, A-nya panjang dan sedikit membulat, hampir berbunyi huruf O. Tapi bercampur dengan huruf A. A. There's a problem with my heart. Gitu. And the next, cut. Cut. He covered his cut. He's covered his cut. While this, sementara yang ini, card. Card. He covered his card. He covered his card. And then next, ban. Ban. Okay, this is ban. What's in that bun? What's in that bun? Bun. Seperti kata bahasa Indonesia ban, ya udah tuh ban. But this is bun. Roti. And then bun. Lebih diperpanjang dan sedikit membulat. Bun. What's in that bun? What's in that bun? Like that. And then come. Come. Come down, she said. Come down, she said. Come. Come. And then the next one, come. Lebih panjang dan sedikit membulat. Come. Calm down, she said. Calm down, she said. So be careful. This example of the example on the left is the sound of A. Jadi suara A yang jelas, mulut terbuka. Okay. Sound 1 or the example on the left is the sound of A, while the sound 2 or the example on the right is the sound of A. So, for example, once again, sound 1, cup, sound 2, cup, hat, heart, cut, cut, bun, bun, come, come. Okay. So, anyone? Let's try to read one line by one line. So, one person only read one line. So, the sample, read the words and the sentence. Cup, what a beautiful cup. Cup, what a beautiful cup. And then the next one. Okay? Satu orang, satu baris. Kanan dan kiri. Anyone? Want to try? Yes, silakan.
Cup, what a beautiful cup. Cup,
Yes.
what a beautiful cup.
Okay, good. Next.
Me.
Yes. Mention your name.
Anjali.
Okay. Baris yang kedua ya, Mbak?
Yeah. Heart. There is a problem with my heart. Heart. There's a problem with my heart.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak Anjali. And previous one,
You're
Mbak Safi.
welcome,
Okay.
Miss.
Yes. Let's introduce my son. You want to learn pronunciation also with you all, guys. Well, go. Next. Mention your name and read The line number 3.
Me, Miss.
Yes. Silakan.
Vivi Putri.
Oke, Mbak Vivi, come on. Number 3 ya. Cut.
Cut. He covered his cut. Yeah. Cut. He covered his cut. Card. He covered his card.
Oke, good. Thank you, Mbak Vivi. Next.
You're welcome.
Number 4. Next one.
Amrina.
Ya, silakan. Number 4, Ban and Bon.
Ban. What's in that ban? Barn. What's in that barn?
Oke, good. Thank you so much. Next, siapa tadi? Mas Aziz?
Yes.
Come and come.
Calm. Calm down, she said. Calm. Calm down, she said.
Oke, thank you so much. Come and come-nya sudah benar, but here jangan terjebak sama dengan say. Kalau SAY kan bacanya say. Tapi kalau verb duanya kayak gini, terus sad, sad, she sad. Calm down, she sad. Calm down, she sad. Gitu ya teman-teman ya. Ini bukan said, tapi sad. Suara yang kemarin itu ya, sad. Oke. Okay, thank you so much, Mas Aziz. Next, come back to line number 1. The other, please.
Miss
Ya,
Lorinda.
Okay.
Cup, what a beautiful cup. Carp, what a beautiful carp.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Next.
Kartika, Miss.
Okay, Kartika.
There's a problem with my heart. There's a problem with my heart.
Okay, good. Very good. Thank you. Next one. Cut and cut. Mas Nurkolis. Okay. Cut and cut. Yeah. Yeah. Slowly.
He covered his cut. He covered his card.
Repeat this.
He covered his card.
Okay. He covered his card.
He covered his card.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Mas Nurholis. Next one. Ban and Bon.
Saya Miss
Ya.
Alfia.
Okay, Mbak Alfia.
What's in that pan?
Ya.
What's in that barn?
Okay, thank you so much. Next after Mbak Alfia. Mbak Divya, Mas Tovan.
Saya, Mem.
Ya, Mas Tovan. Come and come.
Calm down, she said. Calm down. Sorry, Mem. Calm down, she said.
Okay, thank you so much. Down.
Calm
Please
down.
repeat.
Down.
Okay, down. Calm down, she said. Come on, Mas.
Calm down, she said.
Okay, good. Very good, thank you, Mas Tovan. Next, Mbak Divya,
welcome,
Mbak Adel.
Me, Miss.
Yes, Mbak Alvina. Mbak Alvina.
Cup. What is a beautiful cup?
Okay.
Carp. What a beautiful carp.
Okay, very good, thank you. So, Mbak Adel. And hot.
Saya, Bu.
Oke, Mbak Indah.
There's a problem with my heart. There's a problem with my heart.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Thought.
Adistira, ma'am.
Okay. Adis, come on.
That he covered his card. He covered his card.
Okay. Quite longer ya. Untuk yang suara kedua agak dipanjangkan. He covered his card. Come on, repeat the sound number 2.
He covered his card.
Okay. And then next.
Miss,
Yeah.
what in that van? What's in that barn?
Okay, Mbak siapa ini? Sorry.
Dia.
Okay. Mbak Divya. Once again, repeat sound 2.
What's in that barn? What in that barn?
Okay. What's in that barn? Come on.
What in that barn? What in that barn?
Okay. S-nya di what-nya ya. What's in that barn? Come on.
What's in that barn?
Okay, very good. Thank you. Next. Thank you, Mbak Divya. Next. Come and come. Mbak Nisa. Mas Sultan. Mbak Yeni. Mbak Ulia. Mas Alen. Mbak Faris. Yes, come on. Yep. Yeah, Mas Alen. Come and come.
Come down the stairs. Come down the stairs.
Okay. Once again ya, suara A sama A-nya udah benar, tapi di sini. Sad, she said. Come down, she said. Calm down, she said. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much. Next.
Saya, Miss.
Ya, what's your name?
Faris Susi Indasari.
Okay.
A cup. What a beautiful cup. Cup. What a beautiful cup.
Okay. The sound too? Mbak Haris?
Cup.
What a beautiful
What
cup.
a cup. What a beautiful cup.
Okay.
Saya, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Mbak Haris. Next, siapa nih? Adele. Iya, setelah menghilang muncul lagi. Well,
itu tidak kedengaran. Okay.
Dapat hat lagi.
Heart. There's a problem with my heart. Heart. There's a problem with my heart.
Okay, good. Thank you so much, Mbak Adele. Untung belum mati nih Zoom-nya. Well, next. Mas Sultan, Mbak Nisa, Mbak Ulia, Mbak Yeni.
Me, ma'am.
Yes.
He covered his card. He covered his card.
Okay, Mbak Nisa ya. Thank you so much. Very good. Next.
Mbak Aulia, ma'am.
Oh, Mbak Aulia. Yeah. Come on, sorry. Next, Mbak Nisa. Okay, Mbak Nisa, we cannot listen to your voice. Next, ya. Siapa nih? Mbak Nisa. Oke, try again.
Saya Miss Jenny.
Oh ya, Mbak Jenny. Ya, come on.
What's in that bun? What's in that bird?
Barn. Oke.
Barn.
Hati-hati ketukar sama burn. Beda lagi nanti. What's in that barn? Come on. Okay, so after this, there is practice 2. And in practice 2, di practice 2, I give you 2 practices. Jadi di situ ada 2 practice. Yang pertama, let me explain first ya. Maybe you can practice in the second session of this Zoom meeting. Well, practice 2 for A. Choose at least 3 from these phrases below and make a sentence as the example. Subjek dan verb-nya boleh dirubah sendiri. So for example, my uncle bought a cup, some honey, and some sunglasses. Remember that in pronunciation there is intonation. Ada intonation kayak gitu. Jadi di satu kalimat gini ada intonasi naik, dan turun di belakangnya. My uncle bought a cup, some honey, and some sunglasses. Jadi from these phrases ada frase-frase ini silakan dipilih 3 atau lebih pun it's okay. Nah, dibuat kalimat seperti ini. Jadi silakan dipilih 3 at least. For example, my uncle bought a cup, some honey, and some sunglasses. Kalimatnya terserah teman-teman. My uncle and bought-nya boleh dirubah apapun. Oke. Okay? And then for B, to B, use these words to make exclamations about the pictures. Exclamation itu seruan. Kayak yang tadi, what a beautiful cup. What a beautiful cup. Nah, itu. Ini what a-nya tetap sama. What a-nya tetap sama. Adjektifnya dipilih dari sini. Kemudian noun-nya dipilih dari sini. Choose at least 3 also. So for example, what a dirty carpet. What a fast car. What a smart dancer, for example. Jadi sesuaikan adjektif di sini dengan benda-benda yang ada di sini. Oke. Okay? Choose 3. And then here, choose 3 phrases for 1 sentence. Kalau yang ini 1 kalimat, di dalam 1 kalimat itu pilih at least 3 di antara ini. Sedangkan yang ini, buatkan 3 kalimat seru. Dengan kalimat what a bla bla bla. Adjektifnya dipilih dari sini, noun-nya dipilih dari sini. So for example, what a funny dancer. What a smart dancer, for example. What a fantastic guitar. Gitu ya. So, 2A itu adalah contoh-contoh kata dengan sound A. Sedangkan yang B adalah kata-kata dengan pengucapan O. Gitu. Understand? Any question?
Maaf, Mem. Untuk yang B, saya kurang jelas, Mem.
Oke. Contohnya yang B dibuat seperti ini. Saya naik ke atas lagi ya. Nah, seperti ini. What a beautiful cup. Nah, what a-nya tetap digunakan. Beautiful ini kan adjektif. Cup ini kan noun. Nah, adjektif sama noun-nya kita turun lagi. What a, kemudian adjektifnya dipilih dari sini, noun-nya dipilih dari sini. What a marvelous star. What a smart dancer. What an unusual guitar, for example. Contohnya gitu. Oke. Di sini ini filenya ada di Google Classroom ya. Jadi bisa di-download di sana. Practice, make a sentence, and then practice in the second session of this meeting. Because this meeting will be running out after this. Tinggal 1 menit habis ini, and I will open again with the same link ya. Start your sentence after this. Wait. Okay, so once again, I will open. I think after this, the meeting will end. We continue in the next session.